Hi everybody, I first want to show you quickly how to make a sock puppet. Then you can actually make one and it can be one of Yabi's friends. So first you have to have an old sock. One that you're not using anymore, that has only got one friend left. So you're going to use that old sock. Then you're going to have a little mouthpiece that we're going to put on the sock for the mouth. We can have some either googly eyes or button eyes or pom-pom eyes, and that green one is the nose. So we can either glue it on with a glue gun or with Bostik, or you can actually take a needle and a thread and you can sew it on. That's the job for mommy to do. So, but then, oh yes, and then I mustn't forget, we have to have our hair. So our hair is also there. So let me go and get the glue gun, then we will quickly make one. Okay guys, you put your mouthpiece right here where the heel starts. Then you stick or you glue your double-sided tape will also work. You put your mouthpiece on. Then you turn it around to the other side, your sock. Then you're going to put your eyes on. To know where to put your eyes, you first have to put the hair on that you can know where to put it. Then when you put your eyes on, you have to look at your eye and put it like it is forward. It looks forward to the next person. Both of the eyes, we're going to stick it on. You can either work it on or whatever you decide how you want to do it. We're going to glue it on with a glue gun. There's my two eyes. It's now on. It's glued on. And we also need to put the hair on so that our character or our sock can have a personality with the hair that we're going to put on for him. So we're going to give him some blue and grey hair. We put it on right there. You stick it on. I've used the glue gun. So we stick it on. There you are. There's my hair on. So now we must just do the nose. So let's take what about the purple or the green nose? Let's take the green nose. We're going to put a green nose on for him. We just put some glue on. Then we're going to put the nose right at the top. There you are. So now our sock is finished. 1, 2, 3, it is finished. Let's quickly see. You put your hand in, in. Fold it. And then, let me quickly just put it on for you nicely. There's your sock puppet. Hello. Just give it a voice. Just give me a voice. Oh, hello. I am. Oh, my name is Green Nose. I've got a green nose. Can you see? I've got a green nose. Let me see though. I've got grey and blue hair, and I've got black eyes, and this is me. I am Green Nose.